Take command of the road in the 2016 Ford F-150. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include power windows, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.